We are thrilled to be partnering with Alewel's Country Meats, a company that shares our commitment to quality and sustainability to provide our customers the very best in meat products. Alewel's Country Meats is a family-owned and operated meat producer based in Warrensburg, Missouri for over 75 years. They specialize in high-quality bacon and other meat products, all made with the freshest and highest quality ingredients. We are excited to offer 3 different boxes. The first box is our Bacon Gift Box. This gift box features a selection of nationally awarded hickory-smoked, dry-cured bacon that is sure to tantalize your taste buds. It includes 1 pound of cured bacon, 1 pound of peppered bacon, 1 pound of dry-cured bacon, 1 pound of Cajun bacon, and 1 pound of raspberry chipotle bacon. Whether you're looking for a unique gift for a friend or a loved one, or just want to treat yourself to some of the best bacon around, this gift box is the perfect choice. Looking for the perfect burger? Look no further than the Gourmet Burger Gift Box. These gourmet burgers are made from the highest quality meats and come in a variety of flavors to satisfy any taste. These gourmet burgers are a perfect match for cooking on any of our flat-top griddles. The Gourmet Burger Box includes a variety of flavors including bacon and cheddar cheese, mushroom and Swiss cheese, and jalapeno and cheddar cheese. The burgers are ready to cook 1/2 pound choice grade burger patties, ensuring a juicy and delicious burger every time. Indulge in the juicy, flavorful goodness of the Gourmet Burger Box today and taste the difference for yourself. Introducing the ultimate gourmet meat gift box for any flat top owner. With this gift box, you'll receive an incredible selection of premium quality meats perfect for grilling up a feast on your Steelmade Flat Top griddle. Indulge the rich flavors of national award-winning cured bacon and peppered bacon, expertly smoked and cured to perfection. Satisfy your burger cravings with a unique selection of gourmet burgers made from the finest quality meat. Savor the juicy and flavorful skillet scrambler bratwurst, perfect for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. And that's not all. Our gift box includes 2 pounds of the mouth-watering steak fajita mix and chicken stir-fry mix, perfect for whipping up a quick and delicious meal for the whole family. Ordering high-quality meat online has never been easier or more convenient, and with our Gourmet Meat Gift Box, you'll enjoy the ultimate grilling experience on your Steelmade Flat Top griddle. Visit SteelmadeUSA.com to order one of our meat gift boxes today. If you have any questions about these products or any of our other Steelmade products, please contact us at info@SteelmadeUSA.com or visit our website, SteelmadeUSA.com, and chat with one of our support agents. Thank you.